Hello everyone, welcome to our cooking voyage. In today's recipe, we are going to see how to prepare easy and quick breakfast, which is an instant oats idli. It is very similar to Rava idli and can be made in no time. So let's check out the ingredients required to prepare this recipe. Firstly, I am going to dry roast the oats till it turns crisp. For that, I have taken 2 cups of rolled oats. This is a mandatory step and do not powder it without dry roasting it. While dry roasting the oats, keep the flame in the medium. It will take around 2 to 5 minutes to dry roast oats. Once the oats are nicely roasted, turn off the flame, allow it to cool down before grinding them to a fine powder. Once it is powdered, keep it aside. Now I am going to make tempering for oats idli batter. For that, heat 1.5 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. You can also add oil instead of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add the temperings one by one. I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 8 to 10 pieces of cashews, 2 tablespoons of ginger. Now saute them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of hing, chopped curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give them a mix and add half cup of fine suji or rava. On a low flame, stir and saute for 2 minutes. After the rava is nicely combined with the tempering, add the powdered oats flour. Stir very well on a low flame. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Take this mixture in a bowl and let it cool down completely. Now the mixture got completely cooled down. I am adding half teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, few chopped coriander leaves and 1 cup of curd. You can add either fresh or sour curd. Mix all the ingredients together before adding water. Now add 1 cup of water to the mixture. Stir the idli batter very well. The batter should have a medium consistency and be neither too thick nor thin. Cover and allow the batter to sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, grease the idli mold with some oil or ghee. Also, heat water in the idli steamer. After 5 minutes, you can check the batter. It's little bit thick, so I'm adding a half cup of water to it and stir the batter to a medium consistency. Now the batter is ready. Pour the oats idli batter in the greased idli mold. Place the mold in the steamer. Cover and steam oats idli till they are done. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, insert a toothpick in the idlis. That should come out clean. Allow the steamed idlis to stand for some minutes. Then remove them with the spoon dipped in water. Serve these light healthy oats idli with coconut chutney, idli sambar or mint chutney. Today I am serving this healthy oats recipe with the mint chutney. I have shared the link of the mint chutney in the description below. You can check the recipe in my channel. Do try this easy and healthy recipe at your home. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family and leave your comment below. Thanks for watching our cooking voyage.